Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We're doing this big ol' Goddess Provisions box unboxing, and am I wrong? Is this the last one? Let me know. You know what, editing Luna is gonna let you know actually. She's gonna let you know on the screen if this is actually the last of the Goddess Provisions box as we know it. They're doing kind of like, they're doing something new. We don't know yet. They're doing something new and this might be the last one. So questionably, maybe like questionable sadness happening right now. This, as you might notice, is bigger than their usual box. If you guys don't know, I will put the specs here. The boxes are not usually this big. I'm excited to pop into it. Brought my scissors because I usually forget to do that and then I have to get up. So also, hi, if you're new here, my name's Luna. I do witchy things, I do girly things, and I do glam stuff too sometimes. Cool. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see. I'm gonna use another box that I also need. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna figure out the best way to do this. What I need is something to hold this up a little bit, just to prop it a little bit. I don't know, should we use this citrine? This fake citrine, of course. Just to give you some leverage so you can see. Okay, also wait, before we get started, can we take a moment to say hi to the shirt? I think it's so cute. I will link it. I got it from the TikTok shop. I don't know how to link that. I'll try to link it. But it's so cute. And I know it's November, but I think November and December are still spooky season. That's just my personal opinion. You can hate it if you want. Let's jump into it. So this is the Shadow and Light box. We've got our pamphlet that you get every month, including the items in the box. Really fun art happening here. And then we've got our items. There's like a normal amount of items. I'm not looking like I'm not reading it, but glancing. So they must be pretty big items. This is good compost material, as we know. Probably heard me say it. Starting off, first thing I see is the crystal. Oh my gosh, causing chaos over here. All right, I think we've got this crystal from them before, but as always, if you're new here, I try to let you guys guess the crystal. Take a few seconds. Test your crystal identification skills. 3, 2, 1. It's serpentine. It's rough serpentine. I don't think I would have been able to identify it. Maybe I would have if I hadn't read what it said. Most of my serpentine, I think almost all, maybe I have one rough, but all of my other serpentine is tumbled, which just gives it a bit of a different look, and that's how I identify it. It says, embark on a spiritual journey with the grounding crystal that rejuvenates all chakras, but profoundly heals the heart chakra. Boost your psychic prowess and delve deeper into life's spiritual essence. Ideal for meditation and spiritual exploration, and it's a $7 value. And I saw one time someone was like saying they didn't like Goddess Provisions because they think their crystals are valued too high, and to that I say, y'all don't live in Los Angeles, okay? I think crystals are cheaper depending on where you live, but getting a rough serpentine in LA for sure is gonna be at least $7. So I'm never surprised by the cost of their things. I think it really is just a difference of area. I know when I lived in Kansas, we had this one witchy store. It shut down since. It was so good. They had really affordable crystals, and I think it's just, it differs based on where you're located. All right, I'm curious about this thing right here. I see it says Earth Harbor, which is a brand I recognize. This is the Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule, I don't know how to say that. Black seaweed and, man, I can't say any of these words. Bakuchiyo? Man, I bet it's really simple to say. I bet how you say that is very simple and I made that complicated. Let's get this open. I like the brand Earth Harbor. I have pretty sensitive skin, so I really enjoy having a company that I know for the most part like does very natural ingredients. They're plant-based, sustainable, vegan, bare source, carbon neutral, plastic negative, small batch made, allergy tested, woman owned. Like, hello. Now here's the real test, is seeing if I can use it. First, let me read it to you. Oh, cool. So there were two. You could get either the Earth Harbor Ampoule, which is what we got, or the Elixir, the Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir, which I actually have, and I use it like all the time. I literally used it last night because my hair was feeling kind of dry. I used a lot of products on it the other day, and it's still got that hairspray feel because I haven't washed it yet. So that oil was really helpful. But we got the Obscura Ampoule and it says rediscover radiant skin overnight with this detoxifying elixir packed with black seaweed and bamboo charcoal that fights imperfections and reawakens your glow. Ideal for all skin types, it's your shortcut to a refreshed complexion by morning. That's cool. I don't usually do detoxifying stuff. I probably could use it. Let's see if I can use it. Yes. No! The last ingredient is apple fruit extract. So I can always try it. Sometimes I try things to see if I'm still allergic to the ingredient, and I have always been, but you never know. I'll just try it. I'll try it once, and then if it doesn't work, I'll probably give it away or give it for a Christmas present since I'll have used it. But we love Earth Harbor. Cute. And that is, it just says $30+ value. All right, excited about this. This is the Cosmic Answers potion bottle. Last time I got a glass bottle, it did break in the mail, so I'm excited to open it and see how she's doing. It says, concoct your celestial elixirs with this purple ombre glass adorned with an evil eye and Ouija design. Whether you're charging moon water, casting spells, or elevating your altar, this bottle holds the magic. It is an $18 value. Do not microwave, do not place in the dishwasher, and hand wash only. Cool. I don't even have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher. She's looking beautiful. This looks amazing. I'm so excited. This looks so pretty. Love the ombre effect. Purple is definitely a color that I use a lot of in my altar space, so I'm feeling like that's gonna look so good. And I don't know what I'll even use this for. You could use this for an oil, like a homemade oil. I feel like using this for like a psychic oil would be really fun because it has that energy, like a ritual oil or something. Moon water would also be good. Yeah, I super like this. Okay, two more things. One of them I do know what it is, and that'll be the last thing we get to. Second to last thing is this Infinite Magic Altar Tile. A sacred altar adornment to help you create crystal grids and charge your ritual tools. It is a $22 value, and it says elevate your sacred rituals with this multi-purpose altar tile. Crafted from unsealed slate and etched with a serpent intertwined with the seed of life, this tile embodies transformation and universal connection. Perfect for adorning your altar or laying out crystal grids and oracle cards. Sounds good. That's pretty cool. I wish my like kitchen floors were tiled with this. And this is a $22 value. I also think this would be really good for placing like a candle spell. It's really important, especially if you have like a wooden altar like I do, to have some protection when you're doing a candle spell, especially if you're dressing it with herbs and one of the herbs just catches on fire and it falls. I mean, you never want to do that. You know, you don't want that to happen on wood. So this is really nice for that. You could even use it. Yeah, you could use it for that. You could use it for crystal grid like they said. Last item. I'm most excited about this. Okay, this is the thing I'm so excited about. I saw it and you guys know me. I am a freaking sucker for tarot and oracle decks. I have so many and I can't get enough. And I am planning on doing a tarot and oracle deck collection video. I just fucking love them. I don't use them all, but I fucking love them. And here we have it, a freaking oracle deck. This is the Shadow of Light oracle deck, written and illustrated by Haley Claire. This says, awaken your inner seer with 40 striking cards designed to crack open your limited perceptions by reminding you that in every single moment you hold the power of choice. Let the captivating artwork guide your journey, offering clarity and insight for every situation. Perfect for daily reflections, divination, and journaling. And it's a $33 value. So literally like the price of the box. It's been a hot minute since they've sent a deck. A lot of their decks have been like their own, more like their own mini ones. I remember getting the Sacred Cycles deck. I think it was like February or March of last year in their Sacred Cycles box. I love that deck. I use that deck all the time actually. And I think I've gotten at least one other deck from this box, but this, first of all, packaging, freaking gorgeous. That like duochromed silver to purpley blue foil is crazy. And then we've got the information on the back. Okay, so you've got a full guidebook, which is always nice. You've got your cards and their explanations. And then you've got the cards, which look how trippy the back of this looks. Take that off. Look how crazy that looks. I love that. These are, it's quite a drastic difference from the like box and the deck and the back from the card designs. The cards are actually super vibrant and like lots of colors going on, lots of bright colors, which is really interesting. I like that kind of like dichotomy of having a monochromatic dark box, but the cards are quite, ooh, Kali, yeah. Ouroboros, we love to see him. Cool, I'll have to look through these and let you guys know what I think. And again, I'm gonna do a whole tarot and oracle collection video because I think that you guys probably like that. You know what time it is. Let me know what your favorite item was from this box. I like this box a lot. I think my two, yes, of course, I have to choose two. My two favorites are the glass bottle. I think this is just really pretty. And of course the oracle deck I'm really excited about. I'm gonna try out the oil, see if I can even use it. Tile's fun, and the crystal's always amazing. I love getting a crystal. So those are my favorites, but let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, because I always like to hear from you. And I don't know what the future of Goddess Provisions box looks like, so we will probably continue doing unboxings here, but I don't really fully know. But yeah, I've enjoyed so much this time with Goddess Provisions, and it's been really a dream come true to even be recognized by them enough to have them send me boxes to review, because they were very foundational in my little, you know, collection of spiritual tools that I have now. And it's always been a treat for the past 3 years, looking forward to getting my little purple box in the mail. And yeah, I've gotten so many fun things, so many fun tools and self-care products and stuff from this box, so I really love it. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!